Got this off eBay. It's an original Zippo case. Very expensive. I think it was about 180 bucks. But anyway, here's all the Zippos. Just bought this one right here. That was my very, very first Zippo I got when I was like 15. AC/DC Chevy. Right to keep in arms. Southern Zippo. This steampunk Zippo. Just got that one. Second Amendment. Right to keep and bear arms. Just got that one. Just got this Fireball whiskey Zippo. St. Croix, Arizona, Vegas, American flag, Bond, American flag, Ford, Chevy, Cubs, Bears, American flag, West Coast Chopper, Chevy, Benjamin, steampunk lighter, Zippos. They're not Zippos, they're just steampunk kerosene lighters. Then got some more for some new additions. And then all the Zippo fluid and butane. And then here's the jumbo Zippo right here. Hoo-yah.